In this video, we're going to be making adjustments to our calendar. First thing we do is go to Schedules and to our site. Then we will manage the schedule. I'll come in here and hit Edit. If I want to add an event, I hit the plus sign. Then I give the name for the event. I tell it what time this event should happen. I have to select what zone. This will be for our office, so I will select office zone. I will pick what tone I want to use. I'm not scheduling any audio. I do want to display the event name. And this one does not have any routines, so I don't have anything there. I hit save, or I can save and create another. I just want to save this one. So that has saved to my Monday through Thursday normal events. That is the schedule in use. I can change those, which ones I want to use, by selecting the day and doing the drop down. These have no start or end dates, so they are indefinite until I change it. And that's all you need to do to manage your schedule and add an event.